Feeling overwhelmed by finances can make anyone anxious, but the good news is that you don't have to manage it alone. With the right guidance, you can reclaim control and learn how to budget effectively. M.S.S offers a variety of digital courses designed specifically to meet you where you are and provide step-by-step instruction on mastering your money. Imagine receiving personalized insights that make sense of your unique financial needs and goals. Each course is built to adapt to your current situation, helping demystify complex concepts and enabling you to implement strategies tailored to your lifestyle. As you progress, you'll feel a shift in your confidence and an awakening of your financial wisdom. You'll not only learn about expenses but also discover how to identify and mitigate unnecessary spending. Picture yourself moving from uncertainty to clarity, where decisions around finances are grounded in knowledge rather than fear. Taking the leap into effective money management doesn't have to be intimidating. With M.S.S, you're supported every step of the way. Embrace the tools and knowledge we provide, allowing you to shape your financial future with clarity and purpose, leading to lasting success and freedom from financial worries. The transformation is within reach, so take that crucial step towards becoming a confident steward of your finances. Unlock the door to new financial possibilities as you embark on this educational journey. With M.S.S, financial mastery is not just an aspiration, it is a reality you can achieve. As you delve into the course content, you'll engage with interactive modules that reinforce your learning and celebrate your progress. The community of learners will support you, fostering an environment of shared experiences and mutual encouragement. Embrace accountability by connecting with peers, reflecting on your achievements, and facing challenges together. In summary, M.S.S is your ally in transforming financial anxiety into empowerment, equipping you with the skills and knowledge needed for a secure and confident future. Begin this journey today, and unlock the true potential of your financial landscape for enduring success.